How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the memory from a Dell Inspiron 5570. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and slide out DVD optical drive. Then unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Then separate clips and remove memory. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.